Okay, so hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is health, career, and finances reading. Yep, for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of June 2026. We will start with your health, and then career, and then for those who are seeking for another career, and then finances. I'm forgetting something. I don't know what. But anyways, this is general. This might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. And for personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start with your health, Aries. Let's see. Where? Okay. Let's see for your health what we have, Aries. Lava bache समेट कायनात में दसकिन किनो इश्क दी बात में. Tower, okay, please take care of your health. Some kind of unexpected sudden events can happen. It might not be actually your health. It can be somebody around you having some kind of unexpected sudden collapse in their health, especially if somebody around you is already sick. Please take care of them. But if you are the one who is going through something and you are ignoring it, you might collapse, like in the sense your high health might go down abruptly. So if you're not taking care of your health, please do that, because you might not be able to recover from something that might happen unexpectedly suddenly. So do not ignore the red flags of your body, do not ignore the issues that you're already going through, and make sure you are taking all of your medications and you're doing everything possible from your side to keep your health in check. The tower is the major arcana, so it is something that can happen. Beware of heights and beware of rash driving also. Okay, so please take care of your health, Aries. Now if I'm saying please take care of your health, and because just because I said it on a YouTube channel, on a random YouTube channel, doesn't mean you should worry about it. If you're already sick and having issues, do not ignore the red flags of your body, and don't try to do something that you should not be doing, because it's not going to go well. Don't take unnecessary risk with your body. Guidance here is the Seven of Swords. You're ignoring the red flags. You're ignoring something regarding your health that you should not be ignoring. You're continuously living in some kind of deceptive energy, like, yeah, it's nothing, I have gone through worse in my life, this is nothing. So please don't ignore it, because there might be something that can convert into a big issue if not taken care of properly. Okay, so you might be taking your health for granted. Guess what? Your health is not going to come back like your ex or a jolted lover or something. Health is the most important thing that you should be focused on in your life. People, situations, things, everything comes after that. Your health is your wealth. That is going to stick around for you for the rest of your life. Okay, my love. Let's see for those of you who are doing job or business, like for your career. For this month we have the Page of Wands. There might be a start or restart again, something that you always wanted to add in your career or in your job. There are good chances of another opportunity also. Either you will be able to start or restart something like something new, fresh regarding your career, and or if you're planning to change your career, then also you're going to get some kind of opportunity. Whether you're doing business or job, doesn't matter, there is the opportunity of adding some kind of good factor in your business and in your career thing. It can be start or restart, but again, some new opportunity will also be there for you guys if you want it, or some kind of fresh energies are going to be there for you guys. Fresh responsibility, fresh project, fresh opportunity. Take it how it resonates with you. I do see you quite energetic and quite curious and quite excited about your career, and there is a freshness around you. Awesome energy. The Okay, the guidance here is a Two of Cups in reverse. So you might be avoiding some opposite sex connection or bond. You might be avoiding this energy of working with the opposite sex people for whatever reason. The more you are going to avoid this, the more it's going to be difficult for you to actually be at peace. So instead of avoiding, especially if you guys have a rift with somebody, some opposite sex person or team member or group of people, like a group of people, maybe the head is an opposite sex person. So sort it out. If you're having any kind of rift or issues in the office environment, work environment, in the place, try to sort it out with love and harmony as much as you can, and try not to avoid the issues that you should not be avoiding. What is happening? Are you playing the game of ignoring and avoiding this month? This is not good. Don't avoid or ignore the important things that you should not be, Aries, because you might regret it later on big time. Let's see, for those of you who are seeking for another opportunity or new opportunity, whether it's your business or job thing. For those of you who are looking for fresh opportunities or other opportunities, we have the Three of Swords. Right now, the month is not very much favorable for new opportunity. There is going to be this hurtful and painful kind of energy of I'm not getting what I want. It's going to take some more time. 3 weeks to 3 months time, you guys are going to have in your timeline in order to get something new or start something new, whether it's your job thing or business thing. But it's not like that. It's never going to happen. You're never going to get the results of your hard work. You will, but it is going to take some more time and a lot of healing also. You might be living in some kind of disappointment, or you are already giving up on something that you are feeling like, okay, I tried my best, but I should give up now. Do not give up, just keep going, but you have to detach yourself from the outcome. You might be continuously hoping for some kind of outcome, and when it's not happening exactly the way you want it, that's hurting you. Guidance is a star card. You have to remain optimistic and positive, and you have to keep going in the direction of your goal, because you are going to get it exactly when you will be not even expecting it to happen in your life. Aries, this is the rule of life, this is the law. When we are not expecting something to happen, it happens actually in a very natural and organic way, right? So this is going to happen. This new opportunity, new career opportunity is going to show up in your life when you will be doing your own thing, when you are going to be when you are going to be in optimistic and positive state of mind, when you will be in this energy of, okay, whenever it is supposed to happen, it will happen. Otherwise, I'm looking for other things. I'm not making my life miserable because of one thing or one portion or one area of my life, right? Okay, let's see, for your spiritual growth, what we have, the Queen of Swords. If you are on your spiritual path or on your healing path, we have the Queen of Swords. You should have the crystal clear clarity and understanding of why you are walking on this path. What is the reason that you are trying to start or restart your healing process or your spiritual journey? Crystal clear clarity of why you are choosing a path, why you are choosing a certain path and certain situation. Let's say, for example, you are joining a group of people who are spiritual or a healing institute or something. Understand the reasons why you are doing that. Just don't make any decisions just out of impulse or just because other people are doing that, because your job, like, your journey is totally different from theirs, and your outcomes are going to be totally different from theirs, right? So don't be in this energy of following anything or anyone blindly in your spiritual or healing journey that you're not doing anyway. But and you have to be little flexible. You have to start connecting with your heart more than your mind. Spiritual things, you cannot do anything spiritual in your life unless you guys are going to connect with your heart deeply, deeply, deeply. In the guidance, we have the Moon card. Don't allow your fears or insecurities, or just because you don't know right now the things, the path you should follow, just because right now things are not crystal clear the way they should be right in front of your eyes, it doesn't mean that it's not working. Okay, spiritual path is a very dark place. Once we start going in that direction, we can't go back to the normal life that we used to call normal. Okay, but we are going to face a lot of insecurities, lots of unresolved questions, unresolved issues. With time, we will be able to get the answers if we are not going to give up. So do not give up on your pursuit of healing yourself, walking on the path of spirituality, and make sure that even if you are going to have lots of fears, insecurities, lots of questions, even if you are not going to get the answers immediately, make sure you are not going to stop walking on this path of healing and spirituality, because eventually you will be able to get it sooner or later in your life. Let's see about your finances, what we have. Okay, before moving to the finances part, This is the last day to register for 7-day 7 Osho meditation camp that's happening from tomorrow 4:30 to 5:30 in the evening, and we are going to do 7 meditations of Osho, and it's going to be a life-changing event, especially if you guys are starting or restarting your spiritual or healing journey, or you want to enter into Osho's worlds. This is a very beautiful opportunity. Classes are going to be live. I cannot provide the recordings because I'm not allowed to. Simple as that. The fees is 3,500 for Indians, and for others it's 125 USD for. So what are you waiting for? Just hop in. I'll see you on the other side. I'm very excited to start this journey with you guys. So this is the last day. So go check that out and read all the instructions and everything properly. Then apply, because the fees is non-refundable. Okay. Let's say for your finances, we have the Hierophant. You are going to connect with a mentor or a guru or an expert or somebody who is going to guide you in your financial things. Listen to somebody who is an expert. Listen to somebody, take advice from somebody who knows how to handle the finances, how to make more money out of money, right? So your finances are going to be quite stable, as long as you are not going to do something like you should not be doing exactly. And taking help from somebody who is an expert and who knows their shit, who knows how to handle finances and everything, is definitely going to help you a lot in creating a financial stable base for your future also. Nice. Guidance is the Five of Pentacles. Just because you have certain kind of losses, it doesn't mean that you will never be able to recover, and that you should never try to build a financial status in your life, right? Because everything is temporary, Aries. These losses are also temporary in your life. Just because you have gone through some kind of losses in the past, or right now might be you're going through something that you're not liking when it comes to your finances, it doesn't mean that you are never going to recover, and you're never going to get the kind of results that you want. You will. But taking help from somebody, taking help from an expert, hiring somebody and connecting with somebody good or wise is definitely going to have a lot of difference. It's definitely going to make a lot of difference in your financial sector. So don't hesitate to take help from somebody who can actually help you and create a solid financial plan and strategy for you guys, and follow that. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste. Don't forget to check out the 7-day Osho meditation link. I'll see you on the other side. Bye.